Hi there. In this quiz, you've got 12 questions all about prepositions of time. Each question has a sentence with some words missing. You have to choose which words are missing from the list below. You've got 5 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you'll be given a grammar tip to help you with your English. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. The lesson finishes at 11 a.m. Number 2. I'll see you on Friday then. Number 3. The party's on the 10th of August. Number 4. We go back to school in September. Number 5. The Queen was born in 1926. Number 6. We always go to my parents for lunch on Christmas Day. Number 7. We all eat and drink far too much at Christmas. Number 8. This castle was built in the 14th century. Number 9. Do you ever have to work at night? Number 10. It gets very cold and dark here in the winter. Number 11. I work best in the morning. And finally, number 12. I'm always late because the buses are never on time.